डर मुझे पहली बार महसूस हुआ जब मैं 10 साल का था, दिल्ली में था। अपने दोस्त के घर खाना खाने गया था। खाने के बाद मेरे दोस्त ने अपने दादा दादी से मिलवाया मुझे। उसने बताया कि बहुत बूढ़े हैं। उन्हें देखकर मुझे पहली बार डर हुआ।
क्यों?
क्योंकि तब मुझे पता चला कि मेरे माँ बाबा बहुत बूढ़े थे। उसके दादा दादी माँ बाबा की तरह दिखते थे। उस दिन पहली बार मुझे लगा अगर माँ बाबा मर जाएं, मैं तो यतीम हो जाऊंगा। ये डर मेरा रहा जिंदगी भर। कॉलेज में भी मैंने बहुत कुछ किया, मस्तियां भी की, लेकिन एक डर था कि माँ बाबा के लिए मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा। वही डर मुझे बंबई लाया। बंबई में माँ बाबा मेरे साथ थे और जितने साल वो थे, 365 दिन 24 घंटे, द फोन वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन, कहीं वो खबर ना आ जाए। इतने साल बाद वो डर जा चुका है, कोई और डर आ चुका है। तभी तो अलग अलग चीजें करता हूं। हम लोग सब जो भी देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, आप, मैं, कहीं ना कहीं डर हमें खेलने को मजबूर करता है कि चल कुछ और करते हैं। आज हम इस डर को ही सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डर की वजह से आज आप और मैं बैठ के गपिया रहे हैं।
Okay, Cyrus says Ashish Vidyarthi is here, the great actor, one of the best of our time. Our time means apna jo zamana hai, just starts from the 80s all the way to 2025, still going strong. He's worth about anything between 500 to 2,000 crores. I will not comment on that.
Billion.
Billion? Sir,
Liras.
ऐसा मत बोलो,
We are talking
sir.
liras, right?
हाँ. Oh, is it? Is lira? Zimbabwe dollar was the worst, right, for a long time.
No, I think one of the strongest economies
हाँ.
had one of those things called the yen.
Oh, the
And can you believe
Japanese,
it?
yeah.
कमाल था ना?
Yeah.
Strong economy और वो कुछ
But
billions
they're
में
good
जाता
at, they're like us, they're good at calculating. So you can give the long numbers,
Yeah,
no
yeah,
tension
it
nahi hai
doesn't
usme.
matter.
Yeah. But Ashish has been on Cyrus Says, one of the greatest shows that have ever been made, apparently. But on Zoom.
Yeah.
I think we were in COVID at that point,
Yeah,
etc. And so I don't want to ask him the old questions again. We talked about his background, his life, and all that. So please check it out as well. This is more for us to get people to watch.
Yeah.
It's not about you, yaar. Stop
Yeah, I
throwing
know
footage.
that, I know that.
But a lot of things have changed since those 5-6 years have passed, and you've reinvented the wheel. You're doing all kinds of different mediums. But before we start, I want to talk about the Vishnu has left the room right now, but he was so excited to meet you. He was very excited because there's a movie in Malayalam called
CID Musa.
CID Musa, and there's a character called Gauri Shankar, which he said, you don't believe how popular this is, and now whatever way back, some time has passed. And so he was very excited.
Got it.
So I just wanted to tell you that.
So I'm always thrilled to meet people who are excited to meet me, because most people would love to take a photograph with me, and they say that their father, their mother, their brother, their sister-in-law is a big fan of mine. I mean, people click a photo, but it's for someone else.
But umar bhi ek cheez hai,
बहुत
bhai.
बड़ी चीज़ है.
Why are we talking bad about these things?
बहुत अच्छी चीज़.
And the important thing here is that you, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but you must have done more languages than anybody we know in terms of movies. I was just going through your biodata.
Yeah, I've worked in
I mean,
11
there's Bengali,
languages.
Oriya, there's all kinds of things.
11 languages, and I've done about 300 plus films.
300 plus films. Where is his Padma Shri? Mila?
No, we're trying to negotiate that.
Hey.
We're negotiating that.
Hey bro, what are you doing? Where's his Padma Shri?
So there's some people listening to it, and they're trying to make it.
All the people, whoever
Matter.
the
Are
people
listening to it.
who decide
Everything.
the Vibhushan, everything is available as far as you know. You can get the Bharat Ratna also ultimately,
Are
and why not? Do artists get? Artists don't get.
First,
The first artist to get it. 300 films, not. I mean, that's a huge body of work. I think the only thing comes close. Anupam Kher also has done a lot of films. He's been on the show, but 11 languages.
Yeah.
Wow. So let's start at the top now, where you are right now, because there are lots of releases coming up. There were plenty. We went through the roster. So, but before that, I want to ask you about your outfit.
yeah.
The truth is that we've made him change 12 times.
12 times.
It's embarrassing that a senior, a guy of your stature, I shouldn't say senior because you didn't like that, mere mummy ke liye picture, mere daddy ke liye picture, of your stature, is told by some 12-year-olds in the studio that the white is clashing with my social network thingy. He's a fucking legend. You can't come here and change the shirt. So they learn one day.
He made me change it 12 times,
Yeah.
but we retained the shirt. He made an attempt. And then a jacket came on.
No, the jacket they forced on you, and so he brought this jacket from his own collection, which is a very crew jacket. And just
It is a crew jacket.
It is a crew jacket.
It's a jacket that I wear all the time. And it's got at least one pocket which is deep.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's so that I can put my camera and my phones and
Is
my,
Ashish Vidyarthi trying to tell us something 300 films के बाद
अरे और
एक ही
क्या
पॉकेट में
एक ही pocket
डेप्थ
में,
है
सबको depth है, एक ही pocket में.
दूसरा में चश्मा तीसरा में ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स
So yeah, it's kind of really helpful because I whatever that you watch of me, if you watch of me on social media, is all created because I travel with my DJI and my microphone on, and also lights are here, those small lights, and I just set it up. If it's dark, I switch on the light, otherwise just keep shooting. So I really think a thing like this is very useful. You can just carry on with a small pouch and you can manage things.
So how you can't see him right now, but I wish you could turn the camera. We must have one mobile camera at some point. You have your guy
Come, there.
DOP. आजा एक सेकंड ले आजा.
So Umesh is the person who...
Hi Umesh.
Hi Umesh. Umesh is the person who does my makeup. And when... Umesh was not on. No. I was just a prank. It was on.
No,
अच्छा,
सर ने अभी कट किया.
सर ने अभी कट किया.
It's a good bakra. Yeah.
So yeah, Umesh and Umesh Jayaprakash...
What
and I,
vanity! You put it here.
Yeah. And it's turned off right now.
No, turn it on. Turn it on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is a very, very useful thing, and it's allowed me to tell stories. I began telling stories with the GoPro, which was very interesting. But this is the new one.
What
the
is
new
this called?
kit. This is called the DJI Pocket 3.
DJI Pocket
Yes,
3.
and it's really good.
May I ask how much?
$50,000.
$50,000.
Yeah.
And we have spent $55,000 on each of these cameras,
Yeah,
and they're not as good.
Look at these,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
And
fabulous.
these are really useful, and the quality of sound is also amazing.
So you don't need to sound.
There's a mic which...
There's a mic
yes,
attached to
yes,
it.
yeah.
Man, you're fantastic.
Yeah.
But I want to ask a question. You do this all day, and your guy standing there with the thing.
No, he's not there with the thing. Right now, he's here because he's here. But so when I'm at my shoot...
One second, let's trace your day today. Okay,
let's trace.
Okay, because he's come from the airport straight from a shoot or whatever. So let's start in the morning. You were somewhere else.
Let's start from the day before yesterday. I was in
इतना time तो नहीं है,
Kolkata. But we'll fast forward.
Tell.
So day before yesterday, I was in Kolkata for a talk with HR leadership
A firm,
convention,
corporate
whatever.
talk,
And so early morning, I went and shot some very interesting foods. In and around.
Which one of your new things that you're doing? This blog of
Oh yeah,
food thing.
again that started
Yeah.
post-COVID.
Yeah.
And I did that. Then I got wet. I drenched myself in the rain near the Hooghly.
Yeah, when you just said I got wet, I got scared for a moment. But I don't know where to
that's
go with
why
that.
quickly
you're
went
an
over.
elderly man. I'm an elderly man now myself, and
I
this
added
conversation
rain
is
to
wrong.
it.
Yeah.
I added rain to it.
Yeah.
And then in the evening, I did that event.
Next time, please start with in the rain. I got wet.
In the rain,
yeah,
I got
thanks,
wet.
Thanks, boss.
So reached Hyderabad that same night after the event.
Bro, how busy are you?
Nothing. It's just dates. And since I do many things, so I have this thing called motivational conversations I
Yeah.
do with organizations. That is one part. And the other part is acting. And this is very interesting that what I just started doing in Hyderabad. It is a cookery show in which they have gotten me in.
On TV?
That's on television
Wow.
and I believe on OTT. So the interesting
It's in
part...
Telugu?
It is in Telugu and they've got
And
me...
you're conversant in everything. You're some
I'm
genius.
like
You're a
conversant.
genius.
I'm conversant in 3 of the 11 languages I work in. The other 8 I don't.
But you're obviously a linguist because you can pick up any language. At least you can pick up the
yes.
script. And,
Yup. I kind of make
no,
my.
people don't understand. Not everyone has this talent. I get intimidated.
It
You give me
is.
another language, I'll be like, oh God, what does it mean?
I'm extremely intimidated still, but yet I manage some way. So we shot the whole day
Tell us about the
yesterday.
cookery show. What is it?
That's a very interesting one. It's a show in which so food has really caught the imagination of the world.
Yeah.
People
It's
are
also a very relaxed thing to go to now. You know what's happening in the world around us.
what's happening in the world.
Yeah.
And also it's even that sound and the way it's being
Who doesn't like
eaten.
food?
Yeah, everyone loves food. And someone else is having that food, you don't have to pay for it.
True.
And secondly, you don't gain weight
Yeah.
while watching
Or
someone
acidity.
or acidity.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is this thing. So this is a cookery show where people are going to cook and I'm going to be one of the
Is
judges.
it a reality?
It's
close
that's
to one
all.
of those.
Yeah. And so
Are
we
you,
were
are you a
shooting.
bad judge?
I am
The main
amazing.
guy?
I'm amazing because I do not know how to cook. I appreciate food, so I don't. I actually never judge.
Yeah.
So I don't review food.
No, but you don't have to know how to cook. I mean, it's like
Yeah, but
when
I
you watch
don't
cricket,
review.
I'm not as good as Rohit Sharma or something.
I would
Come on.
agree. I would agree on that. But all that I'm saying is that I will not say कि इसमें तुमने अगर काली मिर्च डाली नहीं होती and all that stuff. I don't know all that. I just love.
But you
good
would say
taste.
that when you go to a restaurant.
No, I would
Namak kam
definitely
hai
say
and
कि
all
यार
that.
मजा नहीं आया यार, मजा नहीं आया. But
That's what my
I
wife says every night. Yeah. Why did we bring that up?
in the rain.
In the rain.
In the
Nobody's
rain.
getting
All
wet in my house.
Only in the rain we
Yeah,
do
only
get
in the
wet.
rain.
Okay,
Yeah,
got
yeah,
it.
yeah.
So yes,
So you
but
don't go into the intricacies of
no,
what-
I enjoy food, and I enjoy if for example I enjoy even this moment
Yeah.
as I'm chatting with you.
Yeah.
So as we go back a few years, we
Yeah.
met years back, and I don't even remember when. So
You're
so
just aging both of us now.
it's not just a question of aging. It's a question of so my son Arth,
Huh.
he jokes with me. He says, "Baba, do you realize you're talking about me to me?" So this is that kind of
Oh,
thing,
that's true.
Where suddenly you start talking
Yeah.
about.
It's like the
this
guy
thing.
has lost his mind.
Yeah,
so you're
lost his
explaining to him
mind.
कि
Yeah.
boss हम पहचान है.
Yeah, मेरी
कब
पहचान
से,
है, है ना,
हाँ.
all that. So I enjoy moments. I go into the third person. I just look at, oh gosh, here I am, yeah. And so that is the wonderful thing that I enjoy about food. So food for me is somebody creating something to the best of their ability. So you could be getting another biryani somewhere better or some other form, but this biryani or this chai, or this idli or this vada pav is what
Also
interests
immediate
me.
gratification, no?
Immediate.
So you can't. I mean, you will have that conversation कि ये उससे compare होगा या नहीं and all that, but in your mind you're already decided this is great or not.
This is amazing because you see,
Like the podcast.
it like the podcast.
And you've made your decision.
I
And I'm
made a
ashamed to say, one more failure. When you've worked as long as Ashish has, it doesn't matter. Huh?
The sad is I actually find myself, I'm suddenly looking at myself like here I am talking to you, Cyrus, for the second time. But the very fact that you and I can exchange some thoughts, it's such a privilege. And I enjoy that part.
Yeah.
And then the conversation will go wherever it'll go.
And Gopal, somebody was telling me that Ashish as a young man was a real bully on trains and all that.
Bully on trains.
Like the practical joke, not bully as in violent, but you know, pranks and things like that. Is it true?
Yeah, like I've had a funny bone.
Before
and-
you were famous, like you do all this.
Yeah. Yeah, I
After
kind
that,
of
people
yes.
recognize you, so it's a different
No, I
thing.
still do,
Yeah.
and
You still do?
Yeah, kind of. I kind of enjoy.
Your makeup man
enjoy-
doesn't know that this camera doesn't work.
He doesn't
He's
know.
under a lot of pressure.
No SD card in this. But yes, so an interesting thing is that when I began doing theatre, it was the first point that I realized that people who do theatre are different from others. And I recall
In a good way, bad way, or no judgment?
Anyway, up to the world to decide. So I was in the 9th class, and in India we say class, not grade.
That's true.
Yeah, no, we like I'm in the
We say
9th
grade?
Yeah,
No, we don't say grade.
American schools में कहते हैं ना. So I was in 9th class, and I was doing the children's theatre thing with National School of Drama,
Okay.
and there was a solar eclipse the next day. So solar eclipse in that time in the 80s in Delhi, you don't step out because it's like Bura and all that. And when we asked, in class, they asked, Kal? He says, of course. कहते कल eclipse है. कहते rehearsal है. And that day, when I stepped out of home, Lakshmi Nagar, to go out to attend my rehearsal,
It was dark.
Cyrus, no, more than dark, I felt so different and elevated. I said, boss, everyone else is inside their home. They're not stepping out.
I felt like that's in COVID.
Yeah,
until the police stopped me. But I did feel that.
Did they
because-
put you in again?
Not really. They were too scared to approach. No
Let him
mask,
fall.
Anti-mask. But no, I'm thinking exactly what you're saying.
Yeah.
Not sense of superiority, but like rain. Why do people run away?
Yeah.
I've never understood. And why do you dress in a certain way in the rain? You know it's going to rain, so dress down a little bit, no?
Why do you want to dress any way, anytime?
I don't know.
Like exactly.
I'm always dressed for war.
Yeah.
If there's a war, I've got nothing to lose. I'm wearing nothing. My pants are torn. My shirt is terrible, and it doesn't.
And I've got
matter.
the ammunition.
You look like a guy who's going to kill me. You're like a guy who's carrying everything. Yeah. But no, I agree with the theatre is a different ballgame altogether. It's also a leveling place. Like whoever the famous name is and whatever, everybody's the same. So the egalitarian sense that you don't get beyond that when you do TV. And all that.
No, even
Like you're
in
the great
theatre.
Ashish Vidyarthi and some guys holding an umbrella. it's all
Yeah,
different
so
things.
even in theater, of course, human beings love hierarchy.
Yeah.
We kind of have somebody
I
senior.
thought it was
all
more
that.
Indian. You think all over?
Everywhere. It's like
Top dog, below dog. All
yeah,
that.
it's like give me respect, and then I'll say, oh, come on, we are equal. It's a bit like when you walk.
the patronizing
yeah,
equal.
Yeah, the patronizing.
ठीक है तू सर मत बुलाओ.
हाँ, सर मत
We're all
बोल.
same, we are
पर
all
मुझे
same.
अच्छा लगा.
अभी तो खाना वहाँ पे खा.
खाना उधर खाओ. And the other one is that when you suddenly, tell someone, sir, what an amazing work that you've been doing. It's all about my team.
Yeah.
So next time, try and say that first to the team.
Yeah.
Say, you did amazing work. He says, wait, you give it to me, then I will give it to the team.
That's a spot
Don't
on
do that.
observation.
Yeah.
Huh? Do you know what the day after the solar eclipse is called?
What is it called?
Satara eclipse. Ashish Vidyarthi has left the studio. He has apparently been so disgusted.
I love it.
It's the worst moment in his entire
I'm just
career.
wondering, why didn't I think about it?
Oh, damn you.
That's why Cyrus says things first. Yeah.
No. I've got severe ADHD. I've now figured it out because I can't stay on one thought.
Ah.
That's why I have trouble with relationships.
Wow.
Because sometimes when you're, not to make it a gender thing, like the wife or even girls in the past or whatever, they're very focused on a point. And I don't know whether it's all men or just me, but it's very difficult to stay on the point. So the fight is over the way the bed cover has not been taken out. It's just small, because you already fight over small things. But I've already moved to have you walk the dog, within 30 seconds.
Yep.
Why are we having this conversation?
I keep, I want to move on.
People are dying in the studio. One person's fallen asleep. Makeup guy is doing his own makeup. Yeah. So let's go back to the theatre for a bit and then we'll come back to your career, where we are right now with all the new inventions, with the relevance of how you keep yourself relevant, which is fantastic, trying all these different things. I want to also talk about stand-up comedy. But coming back to the theatre, tell us a little bit more about those days in NSD and before you came here.
So it was, I've been an eternal optimist. I wanted to be a scientist, and then I realized that mathematics and I don't go together. So,
Vidyarthi?
Vidyarthi, even in spite of being a Vidyarthi, and I wasn't getting any marks in mathematics. And
Why would you think you're good at science if you're not good in maths and science?
who cares? If you're an optimist, you want to be a scientist.
True.
And
grading may not be the parameter of how you can do.
I didn't leave much to even discretion, because I was not getting marks in mathematics. It was like not.
Like how much would you get?
Like I got 4 out of 100 in 12th grade. 12th
so
class.
serious?
I'm really serious, and I passed because of this best of five which was there.
Oh,
so
you
had
can
to,
let go
yes,
of one.
yeah,
You
you
can
can
let
let
go
go
of
on.
one.
That's how I.
Yeah.
So what I mean to say
That's
is
how
that
my wife married me, I think. Yeah.
the other 4 went away. I somehow kind of realize that I love science. I love the scientific bent of mine. I love technology and stuff, but I couldn't keep up, obviously, without mathematics.
But that's very interesting, because what you're saying is that if you're interested in science, but you weren't scoring good marks, you're still good at science.
Yeah,
because
I
you're
still-
hungry for science. You're
Yes.
just not good at scoring marks, which is an academic sort
No,
of.
I was pathetic in mathematics. You don't get
Only the
0 and
maths
4.
part.
Very, very bad.
But
in
the other
mathematics.
sciences-
I was okay. But the point that I wish to make is that theatre gave me an opening that I can live a life which is magical rather than logical.
Yeah.
Because the logic of life is you got to be good in this for you to get that. But theatre allowed me to live, a multifaceted life.
Yeah.
I could be many characters. And the
And
other
your dreams come true in a sense, because you're now playing X, and X is a whole different world.
Yeah, and not just characters, even the way of life. So as I was saying that, as I was walking down that road on the solar
solar
eclipse
eclipse.
afternoon,
Yeah.
I felt, boss, I'm the brave one. Everybody else is inside the
Hiding,
house. I can, and my parents are allowing me out. So that was a great feeling of, it's okay to be different, and that's what theatre first does. Because theatre is, at least in the times that we were doing theatre in Delhi, where theatre was not the thing to do, you're already different. People were looking at you, and
Like
then you
looking down, looking up.
completely looking up. Like
Matlab
this.
kya? Like you're not a
तू
man.
क्या कर रहा है?
You're not a man.
तू क्या कर रहा है? Acting. Oh, great. कर क्या रहा है? It's like that.
So they're not taking it seriously.
They are not taking you at all. So from there, you become a rebel. हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ. I'll dress this way. गमछा लेके घूमूंगा. कुर्ता पहनूंगा. All that.
Or take it further, wear sari and
Yeah,
walk,
whatever.
in Khan
Yeah,
Market
yeah,
Saturday morning. I don't know.
तब तक उतना नहीं हुआ था.
करना पड़ेगा ना.
करना
You
पड़ेगा.
get, what's it called? Views. Views are important.
Views are
Oh, by the way, he's turned it back to himself. It was on me for a little while. Bro, I'm out of the film. Do you have the 360?
Oh yeah, this is in fact a 360 thing. I got to move it.
Try and get the
moves.
crew also. Just see how bored
Okay.
they are.
All right. Let's see that.
Actually, have you noticed sometimes when you're shooting things how bored the crew is?
Yeah, because they've actually been there, done that.
They've done that, and,
Yeah.
and they switch off when the work is
Yeah.
this work is on because
Yeah.
that's the least important for them. The thing is setting up and all
Yeah,
that.
that is the main thing.
The main thing.
अब वो करने दो
Yeah.
उनको, जो भी करेंगे.
And that's another leveler. You realize you think it's done the funniest
important?
interaction and nothing.
Have you, when you're interviewed at an event, it's hilarious.
Yeah.
Because the camera's on you, so the world is seeing you, and the person who's asking the question is asking a bit like this. So, sir, tell us something about your role.
Yeah.
और किधर आपने किया था? अच्छा, memorable चीज है. Okay. Yes, sir. By the time you're about to answer a question, you're all and he's gone.
Yeah.
So this guy is not interested, but you are giving that answer very seriously because the world is looking at it, and that girl, the person, this and that, not interested in you.
No, but I have a different take on this.
Yeah.
I have actually been to events, especially if they do that thing where you're entering, right? The red carpet Indian version and all, where they actually do things like, hi, welcome. Who are you?
Exactly.
Funny. I mean, yeah, life is very hard in this business.
Yeah.
You have a thick skin.
Yeah.
So let's get back now to where we are right now, because 3 or 4 things I saw on the career sheet. One is stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
When did that start? And take us. I don't know if you can actually do anything. But what is it like? Life anecdotes? Is it?
It's
on
yeah. I'm
topics?
talking about my life, and so it last year.
Yeah.
It's been a year and 3 months now. 31st March, I started 2020.
Because of the financial year, and you wanted
Yes,
to invest in
yeah,
something.
we wanted to
I'll
invest in something so
stand-up.
big, in stand-up, yeah.
Tax free.
So I began the journey. A dear friend of mine, Raman Quatra, one day tells me in Delhi, "Tu jana, karna comedy kar." मैं कहा चल करते हैं. So I didn't know anything about stand-up comedy.
Have you watched the stand-up guys? Because you have a lot of them.
No, and that's
You never
the
watched
thing.
any?
I hadn't watched. up
Not
till-
once in your life.
So I had gone when I would ever visit London.
Oh, those
I remember I would go into small rooms, but I'd just seen it as look amazing that the guy who's selling me tickets is performing. So I would that busking,
The British are so cheap when they
you know,
want to be.
yeah, and it was amazing.
We'll
यार,
hire a
यार,
guy.
कमाल यार, वो actor इतना passionate है. So I used to still look at it as actors doing it.
Which they are. Many of them are.
But
You
they
start-
refuse to be called an actor. They have to be called a comic.
Yeah.
So I'm a
But then they
comic.
become actors once they get better work.
Yes.
Not better work. Comedy is great. Yeah.
Yeah.
So proud of you, beta.
Yeah. So when I started it, I'd actually not been watching stand-up comedy in India, but I'd been watching stuff there. So I went into it without knowing anything about it, and I'm really happy that I was foolish enough to begin it, because I began with a nearly 2-hour set. Because I'd been writing my stuff on my own and like on WhatsApp and stuff like that, performed, and I met this young guy called Movind Tesekar. He said, "Sir, stand-up comedy auditorium में नहीं होता है, एक जगह में होता है."
True.
So then we started doing it. So for me, at the age of
So you first performed at a proscenium theatre like a play.
Actually, I did, yes.
Which is
Yeah,
not,
it's not like a
there
no.
are a few people do it, but it's
Yeah,
generally
they do it later. I opened with it.
Oh, that's
yeah,
true.
but it's
But
been
did you get a good
huge-
response to your opening?
I did. Yeah, I did.
So
I
then?
did. Yes.
I also you're a known name. It's a little different. The comics you're talking about, they're coming from nowhere. Nobody knows who they are. So they go to the bars first. From the bars, they go to the jails.
Yeah.
Because, some political parties not happy with what they've said. And then slowly they make their way to the proscenium theatre.
So as a stand-up comic, one thing which I've realized is that the comedy audience is way different
Yeah.
from the people who watch films. So the people who possibly know me, but in the sphere of stand-up comedy, they're still getting aware that okay, this guy does comedy. So now we are doing some amazing rooms all over the country.
So
in
where
fact,
would you
I went
play
to
now?
So I've been playing all over. I've been playing in small studios. I've been playing in auditorium. I've been playing in certain stand-up comedy clubs.
Right.
And so it's different
Have you
places.
run the bars?
I've also done that. That's what I was
Because
saying.
that's a whole
Where
different
people
feel.
people are
Yeah.
drinking, having
Yeah,
a
yeah,
drink,
yeah.
and the
And they're
person
close
coming.
to you.
Yeah,
They're so
very
close
close.
to
They're
you.
sitting
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
And what I like very different from theatre is please phone off करिए आप.
yeah.
क्यों बात कर रहे हैं आप? इधर it is like आराम से वो बात. If he's talking, then you don't have his attention.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you have to grab his attention.
But
He's having a drink.
you can interact with him who's talking and all that. That's the
Absolutely,
fun.
and then get him to you.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody is having a drink, order place कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, and then you just pause. हो गया? चले आगे? So you do that. So it's very.
You play the
interactive.
room. The room is
Exactly,
important.
You play
Yeah.
the room exactly.
You can't ignore the room in
Yes,
comedy.
and it is not like please be serious. I'm here to perform for you. So I love that, and it's edgy. Cyrus definitely.
I have only
is.
one problem with stand-up comedy is the announcer who comes to call you on. Especially if it's a corporate event and you're doing like 20 minutes, whatever, they say, and now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together with a very funny, eternally funny, funniest guy. And all that pressure. And you come out and they were like, who? What? It's too much.
They're talking with me.
Yeah, I know. I wish you would just say,
Aa raha hai.
no, we don't have a budget, so this guy will make a few
This guy will-
jokes and
yeah.
that's it, and we pass on. But so you enjoyed this medium.
Yup.
Because the feedback is even faster than theatre in the sense that your joke lands, doesn't land. Sometimes something else lands.
Yeah.
And the interaction with the audience in between.
So Cyrus, for me, I've been doing a couple of very interesting things over my life, and one thing which I've been clear about is that my life is going to be my way. It's not going to be like any other actors or any other person's, and that has given me a lot of freedom. So be it coming to Mumbai as a Hindi film actor, then moving to South and exploring other languages since '99, to becoming a motivation speaker about 15 years back, and then discovering social media 4 years back with food reels and vlogs, and then stand-up comedy a year back, and now just to let you know, 3 days time, also taking this moment to invite you. 19th of June, I turn 60.
Ooh.
And I'm opening my first show. It's called Zindagania Sukoon Ki Kahaniyan, where I'll be telling stories of life.
So the word Sukoon doesn't have the N in it.
Yeah. It's like,
My in-laws' house is called Sukoon in Hyderabad, and the N is not even pronounced. Now
Yeah,
you tell me.
yeah.
I've been making a fool of myself because,
Sukoon,
my mother-in-law speaks Chase Urdu.
So in the na,
The N is not there.
no.
Show, tell me again.
Sukoon.
Sukoon.
Ah.
Sounds like a lazy version of the
It's
word.
like
no?
Sukoon. It's like
So
it's
is it half N or no?
It's like it's no, not
Let me
there.
hear it again.
Sukoon.
Sukoon.
So it's na is there but
You
not
touch it.
pronounced. You just touch it and let it go.
Sukoon.
हाँ.
Man, you're fantastic, bro.
तो वो कर रहा हूँ, and so again what's
Where is
happening?
that?
So that's happening on the 19th, and it's happening
Where?
in Bandra.
Okay.
It's happening in Bandra somewhere.
Okay. Now this is Ashish Vidyarthi, the superstar. Banter hai. Details are not with me.
हाँ, नहीं मतलब वो है इधर.
Is it like Rang Charda? Is it like
No, this
what,
is
Habitat?
No, this is a auditorium. कहाँ पर है? Check करके बताओ ना यार अभी. अभी है पक्का है यहाँ पर है. So I'm excited about that because it's me telling a few stories, and there's Aditi Paul, who's an amazing singer. She's there.
So the singing goes in between? How does it work?
in between. You
You do 10-15 minutes and she does a song or two?
No. It's a conversation.
Oh,
of
it's a
stories.
Jugalbandi.
Yes, it's a conversation.
She stays on stage?
So it's an evening where there's
this is
also
the first time,
a person
thing.
playing a sarangi there.
Oh, nice.
And a guitar. So it's
But does
just
that go with
take-
the comedy? Because that's more
so
like
this
very
is not
arty.
this is not comedy. This is storytelling.
So this
this
is not
is
your motivational
entirely-
speaking. This
this
is
is not-
storytelling, which
this is
may
story.
have some comedy elements in it.
Yes, there's some elements,
okay.
and it's actually allowing people to acknowledge their own life.
Yeah.
So one of the things that inspires me, Cyrus, is not just about telling your own story. It's about people saying, you know what, that's happened to me. Yeah, wasn't that great? So I personally believe that in this world today, we are very angry. Angry. And that's why shows like yours are so important because you make it
I
light.
thought because of this show they're angry.
Yeah, they're angry. Yeah.
Yeah.
इसको कहते हैं
Yeah,
ready-made.
come on.
And I love that. Shows like this give different kinds of people a platform. And that's what I think the world needs. People have to really get that मेरे जैसा तो है, दूसरा भी है कोई.
No, but I don't want to keep praising you, but look at the way you are. It's almost like you're 12 years old, but you're just trying everything all the time.
Yeah.
You'd think that with 300 films ka baggage
Ah.
and the name that you've got, and you're quite a revered actor, no doubt about that, across the length and breadth, not even just in Bollywood, that you would be very careful where you put your foot.
Yeah.
It's almost like you're reckless. I'll try this, I'll try that.
Yeah,
You're doing a cooking show.
because you realize that people will have an opinion about you. They will have. And if you really get that actually they don't care, and if you stop caring about that, then it's freedom.
Yeah.
And I think that's what I've experienced in life, that be what you want to be. And pay your bills, be responsible, pay your taxes. खेल फिर मस्ती में खेल.
But pay your taxes.
मतलब जितना भी मैनेज कर सकते हो.
Yeah,
हाँ,
I mean,
मतलब
sometimes,
obviously there's a
I mean,
caveat
there's
to
a lot
it.
to pay and all that. I
What's
mean,
the-
it depends on your
We're not
earnings,
talking
et
about all
cetera,
that
et
here.
cetera. Yeah, but we are not pro cash. Sorry, sound issue. Sound issue. Wi-Fi.
something
Wi-Fi
dropped
problem,
here.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I don't know what happens. This is we're next to Bandra police station. File a complaint right now, and they'll get back to you in the fullness of time.
GPay.
we'll have to GPay to file the complaint. That's where we've reached. So let's go into this. So what do you call this? Storytelling. We'll call it storytelling, but it's also got music. It's also got instrumentation, and it's very classy sort of setup the way you describe it.
Hopefully.
Oh, it is. I mean,
Yes, it's
it's
kind of
already happening
we're going to begin it.
You don't want people like me in short pants sitting around and going,
No, most
"Kya bola
welcome.
usne?" Yeah. Very different from your comedy crowd. Which
Yeah,
will be sort of talking to you throughout.
Yeah.
So can you give us a little bit of like what kind of story, like a taste of that?
Okay, I'll share something with you. Is it okay if we go in Hindi a little bit?
Please.
Okay, all right.
It's a national language, except when you go to Tamil Nadu. Then they told me quite clearly it's not, and I agreed.
So if we can have a little bit of background music when they're editing it, so
Yeah.
it'll be a bit like this.
I mean, if they don't play it, we look so stupid. But here it is.
Here it is. And one sec, let me just switch on.
Yeah.
डर डर कमाल की चीज होती है साइरस। डर हम सबको लगता है कभी ना कभी। डर की खासियत होती है कि डर कई बार हमको रोक देता है। I'll turn it on. Make the most of it. I'm narrating this story to Cyrus.
You're stripping out of dimensions.
है ना?
मैं तो डर गया अभी.
हाँ, इधर क्या हुआ क्या? ओके। सो डर बड़ी कमाल की चीज होती है। डर हमको कई बार रोक देती है और डर कई बार हमको दौड़ा देती है। कुछ ऐसी चीजें करवाती है जो पहले हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते थे हम कर सकते हैं। डर मुझे पहली बार महसूस हुआ जब मैं 10 साल का था, दिल्ली में था, अपने दोस्त के घर खाना खाने गया था। खाने के बाद मेरे दोस्त ने अपने दादा दादी से मिलवाया मुझे। उसने बताया कि बहुत बूढ़े हैं। उन्हें देखकर मुझे पहली बार डर हुआ।
क्यों?
क्योंकि तब मुझे पता चला कि मेरे माँ बाबा बहुत बूढ़े थे। उसके दादा दादी माँ बाबा की तरह दिखते थे। उस दिन पहली बार मुझे लगा अगर माँ बाबा मर जाएं मैं तो यतीम हो जाऊंगा। ये डर मेरा रहा जिंदगी भर। कॉलेज में भी मैंने बहुत कुछ किया, मस्तियां भी की, लेकिन एक डर था कि माँ बाबा के लिए मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा। वही डर मुझे बंबई लाया। बंबई में माँ बाबा मेरे साथ थे और जितने साल वो थे, 365 दिन 24 घंटे, द फोन वॉज ऑलवेज ऑन, कहीं वो खबर ना आ जाए। आज इतने साल बाद वो डर जा चुका है, कोई और डर आ चुका है। तभी तो अलग अलग चीजें करता हूं। हम लोग सब जो भी देख रहे हैं, सुन रहे हैं, आप, मैं, कहीं ना कहीं डर हमें खेलने को मजबूर करता है कि चल कुछ और करते हैं। आज हम इस डर को ही सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डर की वजह से आज आप और मैं बैठ के गपिया रहे हैं। So it kind of stories like that.
Bro, this is emotionally above our quotient here. Our silly show, and then you put in, it's like royalty has come now, and the common man is feeling uncomfortable. That's beautiful, though. Very beautiful. Are these really? This is a real. I mean, I shouldn't ask this.
Absolutely.
This at 10, you actually had this thought.
Yes.
You saw their grandparents, and you actually had this
first time, because you see, when up till then I was just meeting Ma Baba.
Yeah.
And then I have lunch with my friend, and he says that, come, we'll meet Dada Dadi, wo bahut old log hai. And I looked at them, and they looked like Ma Baba. I said, shit, man. And at that age, I felt my biggest fear was that what if they die and I become an orphan?
Yeah.
And, so it's not that I would miss
They
them.
retain this thought all the way into this season of actually doing the show.
Yeah.
Which means it stayed with you forever.
Oh, yeah. I mean, see, as a... so the interesting part is that each one of us is driven by certain things. They never go away. We try to put it under the carpet. But over the years, I have tried to reveal the things that drive me. And I own it.
And it went from a dar, which was not demotivating, but a negative connotation,
Yeah.
to a, I won't say positive, but to a
Yeah,
freedom.
yeah.
Sort of freedom.
It's a freedom. I mean, like all the things that I have. I mean, just imagine had I just come into films and I had started earning crores, possibly I wouldn't have been doing so many things. The very
You
fact that
started an NGO.
yeah, but not
Tax-free.
tax-free. This way, I'll invite you to come and work for free.
Anything
And
which
saying-
involves corruption, I'm your guy. Okay? I just naturally, my bent of mind is like that. Yeah.
So yes, definitely, each person who reinvents, creates something, is driven by something which is not worked out, and we want to create something.
I think you're
else.
being modest, saying there's a fearlessness which allows you to do this. And fearlessness doesn't mean like you're a brave warrior. Fearlessness means you just don't care enough about
Yeah.
being humiliated or shamed.
Yeah,
Which I think some artists do, and hence they can't go forward in
yeah,
life. I think you just...
So you got to,
you just don't care about
I mean, you hear a lot of things, even about myself. So, for example, when I started doing vlogging, a few friends of mine said that Ashish, you speak with CEOs. Can you believe it? You're now kind of eating all these golgappas and this vada pavs and all that. And funny thing happened. We went to Goa for an event for an American company, and the Indian origin CEO was there. So before each event, if the topmost person has a word with me and sharing with me final points that what he wants communicated. So as we sat down, just he and me, and he's about to tell me that how this 2.5 billion company is going to move there. He says, you know, Ashish, you must go to Pondicherry and try out that food. I said, what? He says, yeah, I watch your Instagram thing.
There you go.
Yeah. So one thing is very clear that we trap ourselves into what we should be doing, what we should look like. And if you can be free and do what you really wish to do, there's freedom in that.
Can I tell you my story? Because
Please.
I also do a few corporate events here and there, and I also get to talk. They always make you talk to the boss or the group of guys running it or whatever. You have to meet them before going on. And they always ask me, unlike you, for a discount. Paisa bahut liya.
They've already done that before that.
Oh, they've already done that. Damn it, kill my joke. Competitive stand-up artist. Okay, we'll take a break.
Yeah.
We've gone way above time, but I didn't want to stop you because the flow was great. We'll come back. Ashish Vidyarthi opening up about all the things that he's doing. And I think that's the part of being an artist which people don't understand. You have to be open. It's the rule number one, right?
In any case, they know it.
Yeah, well,
Might as well.
yeah.
Cool day.
I've been to Lokanwala where I met most of these guys who work here, and they walk around wanting to be actors and stuff, but they're not open yet. You know how you don't embrace any art form. You got to take your clothes off in public. That's what I say. That's where it starts. Then 3 days in lockup, and you go to law, get a proper degree, and have a conventional job. It kills that actor bug once and for all. Say hi to Abhay, sir, cameraman, as we take a break.
Abhay,
Yeah.
let's take a break.
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
All right, back here, Ashish is telling us about the show. We've got, in that little one break that we took, we've got the location,
Bal Gandharv.
which is basically in
In opposite
National College, if you're a Mumbai.
Bandra West. Yeah.
So that's easy to find.
Yeah.
And the
But
tickets-
possibly by the time your show comes, the show will be over. But
Yeah, but we'll say it anyway because we're idiots.
हाँ, wait.
Abhi ho chuka hai, but
Don't-
फिर
अभी मत
there'll be
जाना.
one guy. There'll be one guy standing outside. आशीष सर का है ticket.
19th June 2026 में नहीं 2025 में था.
Yeah, that's true.
जब मैं 60 साल का हुआ.
19th June, I'm in Dubai, which is tomorrow.
He just refused my invite.
No, I didn't refuse. I have to earn money, Ashish. Please don't be mean here. I wish
Discount, yeah, throw a
just
discount.
leave me 50 crores right now and I'll just watch your shows.
Only.
Bus. Fan for life. I've got kids, I've got an old mother, I've got bills to pay, I've got leaking this and leaking that, and there's no end to it, man. Life sucks, bro. Well, you seem so young and full of energy. I feel dead. I wake up in the morning and I feel depressed. And I don't drink anymore, so I don't know what to do.
Seriously.
I've given up alcohol.
Why? Because
hand shakes.
because the buff that you kind of.
I was
But this is amazing.
I was
how
drinking
you-
too much, Ashish. I was a bit of a drinker.
Anyway, that's good. If
कुछ
you
ज़्यादा हो
left
गया.
it, that's
Binge drinker also. No? I didn't drink every day, but I drank like a nutcase when I drank. Let's get back to your career and not my lack of it. Yeah, so let's see. So you've got the stand-up thing, which you just plunged into. And like you said, you just watched some English comics, amateur comics at bars and stuff, and you said, boom, I'm going to just try my hand at this without getting in.
No, I've been watching a lot of stand-up comedy online through COVID.
Okay.
I kind of came close to it, and it really was inspiring.
So what is your comedy? Your comedy, sorry, your comedy is more about you?
It's completely about me because I
always
wanted
you.
to crack jokes on somebody who would not sue me.
Yeah.
So I decided on me.
Yeah.
And
And it's mostly real anecdotes? Or
it's completely real anecdotes. It's called Sit Down Ashish. Because people in any case say, बहुत हो गया ना Ashish, बैठ जा, sit down. So I love it. I took the name Sit Down Ashish and created a stand-up comedy out of it. So it's again anecdotes and having a laugh at myself, telling stories about my life. in
Give
a
us
funny
one. Give us one, no? Give us one famous one where all your colleagues will say, ye to.
Okay, all right. So here goes. So Cyrus, do you have people who say things behind your back?
My own family.
Anna? Fantastic. Don't you love them?
I have no problem.
You no problem with them. I love such people.
Yeah.
I can't handle people जो मुंह पर बोलते हैं. They're very dangerous, you know. And then they will say that, look, Cyrus,
Honesty,
I
honesty.
can't lie.
I can't lie. It's terrible.
I can't lie. And you may feel bad about this. And they manage to say things which you feel bad about.
There's another line. If you don't mind.
If you don't mind.
If you don't mind, का मतलब क्या है?
I have a
You know I'll mind.
Yeah. I have a feeling you will not like it.
Yeah.
And lay.
Yeah.
So I hate such people because they begin with a feedback and it ends
It's passive aggressive behavior.
It is massive aggressive
Massive
behavior.
passive aggressive.
And it's like they kind of, it's a postmortem.
Waiter!
क्या बात है?
Coffee.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Cyrus says, wow, you got personalizing.
This is a fascist world.
Yeah.
You put your name everywhere. Trump Towers, Cyrus
इस
says.
पे नाम तो आ सकता था हमारा यार. कुछ तो करो यार, please.
Just with a stencils put later, Ashish
na?
says.
है ना?
Just
Ashish-
remove it,
Ashish
yeah.
says. Now Ashish says.
Cyrus sucks, Ashish says. You put on that side. So we interrupted your
Yeah.
story.
So I do not like such people.
Yeah.
You know, who are in your face. I love people who gossip. And gossip, personally, I feel is high art.
It is.
Yeah, people look down upon it. और हिंदी में अगर मैं सीधा कहूँ, gossip क्या है?
क्या है?
दो लोग मिलके तीसरे का चौथा करते हैं. It's like nothing is. We are not doing harm to that person.
No,
That
no, no,
person
no.
is not even
Correct.
listening to us.
Yeah.
So I have these two friends, very dear friends of mine. One is Rajesh, the other one is Sunita. Rajesh is my childhood friend. बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है मेरा. Sunita, his wife, amazing cook. She's a kitchen king. And Rajesh is gossip queen. You know, he kind of.
So you mix the gender up.
Really, Rajesh is the.
ये तो
gossip
सही
queen.
सही phrasing है.
Absolutely clear चीज है. Rajesh is the gossip queen and she is the kitchen king. So I go to their house to have biryani because she makes some amazing biryani. I reach there. She's like, hey Ashish, how are you? I said, I'm fine. And then Rajesh said, hey Ashish, how's Ranjan? Now, why Ranjan? Because Ranjan isn't doing too well. Yeah. Because
So you begin nicely.
Yeah, you begin
कि
nicely.
कैसे
And then
है?
again,
क्या सुना है क्या?
क्या सुना है? Ranjan कैसा है? Ranjan कैसा है? मैंने कहा पता नहीं है. I'm not in touch. कहते नहीं पता तो है. Now, you know something about gossip is that if you criticize people, you go to hell. So I don't want to go to hell. So I'm saying, I'm not aware. I'm not in touch. Of course you're in touch with Ranjan. किधर है? मैंने कहा नहीं मिलता यार. कहते हैं मैंने तेरी story देखी थी. So then I have to tell him that yeah, Ranjan is not doing too well. Really? Seriously? Seriously, he's not doing well. So I tell him that.
The twinkle in the eyes.
Yeah, the expression is not matching what you're saying. You know, like,
Why do you do
really?
that? Yeah, that's so funny,
Like,
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously? Whatever is new
shit.
business.
What is
oh,
it?
shit. Yeah, seriously, yeah. Whatever is new business where he put in all his money.
Yeah.
You know, going there. And I said, no, that business.
Failure
didn't do
pe
well.
khushi.
Yeah. Oh, complete khushi.
Yeah.
Na? मैंने कहा नहीं, that business was, what? Really? Oh gosh. Oh gosh, Sunita, you know what? He was so good in college. He was so good. He was not good in college. But you know, before you make anyone fall, you have to make somebody big.
Yeah,
So all that, I was so happy, that. And then Sunita also pipes in, no, Rajesh and I, we always pray for everyone's family. I hope his family is good. Obviously, with such kind of things, his family is not good. So I said, listen, I don't want to talk about him. Can I go for the biryani? So I go for the biryani. Now, biryani is really tasty. So here's the biryani. Here is Rajesh. Here is Sunita. And right in between, I see their fully grown, muscular, yellow teeth, big fang Rottweiler goes and there. Now that Rottweiler, Cyrus, doesn't have a leash, doesn't even have a neck, something. So it's just there. You know, all muscular looking.
He likes the food.
And that food could be me.
Yeah.
You know,
Okay,
I mean,
fair.
it's a Rottweiler.
It's a mutton biryani.
It's a mutton biryani. Okay.
Yeah.
So the Rottweiler is there looking. Now, are you a pet lover?
I'm a huge dog lover.
Okay, I also love dogs in your house.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm there, and the Rottweiler is there. Now, I am smart enough to realize that you don't tell people who love dogs that they got a dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a name.
Yeah.
It's got a name. So I'm about to say, I basically want to say, kutte ko baandh. But I pause myself. Then she turns around, Sunita turns around and says, meet our latest family member.
Yeah.
So I said, inka naam kya hai? You know, with respect, inka naam kya
And
hai?
some fake enthusiasm.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Great.
इनका नाम क्या है?
इनका नाम क्या है? Oh, wow.
So sweet, beta, so sweet.
And
Daddy पे गया?
Yeah, and he's going, and he's going like that, exactly like that.
Yeah.
He's going like that. I'm looking at, and then I said, "Inka naam kya hai?" And then she said, "You will find his name so cute."
What?
Why will I find his name cute? You know, but I'm here for the biryani. So I said, please tell me. And she says, iska naam hai Shikara. Shikara. I mean, like, please, for a Rottweiler, anything but cute. It's weird. But I can't say that. And I said, oh, how cute. So cute. And then I go for the biryani, obviously. And just as I'm about to go for the biryani, she says, wait. you'll have to first guess किसका नाम कैसे पड़ा. You know, there are certain families who
Yeah.
play the KBC before food.
Correct.
We eat
So
every
you have
day.
the trail of the name.
Yeah. We eat every day. Let's play some games. And you don't want to play a game.
Yeah.
You're coming to eat. But then you say, give me the option. And then she says, it's a difficult option she gave me. She said that, हम लोग एक शहर गए, and that's where we thought of the name Shikara. So I say, Srinagar. She says, wrong. Hyderabad. I said, मैं नहीं खेलता. How can it be Hyderabad? But I cannot say because I'm working on the biryani. I said, how? Then she says, the story is actually connected with another one on our show where she goes that we had a friend in Delhi who's moved to Hyderabad and he has his dog and his dog is called Shikara. And so I move into that entire thing and there's a lot of, I act it out, Cyrus, where we are talking about the dog trying to reach me and all those things. And then finally, how it ends. So basically, I made a mess of it on your show, Cyrus. But I just realized because, with all that conversation piece.
Yeah.
But it's pretty funny.
Yeah,
It really
yeah.
works with the Rottweiler coming to me and
Yeah.
reaching and finally standing at a place where I
Groin.
don't want it to.
Groin.
Yep.
Yeah. I have the same thing with the security checks at airports.
Yeah.
They always stop at my groin.
Yeah.
And have a
But
conversation.
you know why?
I think I do now.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah.
Shikara, calm down, beta.
So the anecdotes and stories, some I enact, some are very verbal, some are anecdotes very close to my life where I kind of alter the pain into the humorous part of it.
But
So
this
the
is a
fun
very
things.
good observation of
Yeah.
yours now, that this fake enthusiasm
Yeah.
towards certain things that we are forced to do societally or to fit in with the group or whatever.
Yeah.
Which is, even at funerals, if you notice, or if someone dies, how everybody has to put on the, bro, you heard about, Mohit's father. What happened? Off ho gaya. Off ho gaya.
Oh, so sorry. God.
It's
It was so good.
it's the
He
same
doesn't-
reaction when, Rohit Sharma drops a catch or something.
Yeah.
He's like, oh,
And so
what do you do?
the first, there was this film called Das, which was being made by Mukul Anand.
Of course.
Years back. So I was
Yeah.
part of it.
Yeah.
And we had gone to Utah to shoot it. The first time that I went to the US.
Yeah.
And came back and he died.
Yeah, I know.
And I was a beginner, novice in the film industry. They called us for the
Muharram.
prayer meeting.
Yeah.
Prayer meeting.
Oh, sorry.
He's gone. Remember?
Muharram was long ago. I apologize. Coming back to the story.
Prayer
Yeah.
meeting. So you go there. The first time I land up, I've never been to a prayer meeting in Bombay. Everybody's wearing white, and
you
dark
weren't?
glasses. Yeah, I never had white
You
clothes.
came with
Yeah,
the
there's
crew
something like
uniform.
that. Something like that I was wearing. I walked in. And I felt so out of place because I was the only person in color. Literally off color, in color.
This is great comedy.
Yeah,
Sorry to say. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm standing there and I don't
And they all look at you, no?
So everybody's wearing dark glasses.
Yeah. Mumbai for sure.
Absolutely. And now we're stepping out and I'm feeling very bad. So I kind of do this as I'm going out. And this gentleman just touches me. I said, yes, very sorry. And he says, next week dates ki baat karte hain. And I'm just looking at him. I said, namaste. And I went out. I said, what's happening? So societally, all over right now.
But see, he said it in that voice.
Yeah.
He stayed
It's
in the
like that,
character.
yeah, he stayed in
He's talking
character.
about something which is
Yeah,
completely
completely
non-sensitive.
non-sensitive.
But he's saying it with that pathos.
And he just touches me and says, next week baat karte hain dates ki."
dates ke baare mein
And I just hold him. I said, Ji. But nowadays something very interesting has come up on Twitter. It's called Om Shanti.
Ah, you're right.
I mean,
Every time-
that word didn't
Why does
exist.
everybody-
It's like somebody left.
It's
Om
like
Shanti.
RIP. What used to be RIP.
RIP.
Yeah.
It's this one, and then Om Shanti, and then there's a line before that.
Yeah.
Gone too soon.
Gone too soon. Yes.
Gone
You
too
think
soon.
they go on like AI or there's a...
No,
Google
now
alert
it's
thingy?
now it's the I. The intelligence of people call it Om Shanti and then say gone too soon, I'm safe.
Yeah.
I go, people will say gone too soon, amazing talent, was never used by the industry. Om Shanti. Everything is clear. I've understood it.
Layered attack on this side.
Layered
yeah?
attack.
Layered attack.
Layered attack. मतलब क्या है यार, क्या दर्द है यार, it was so good यार. चल बात करते हैं कभी. It's like that.
अबे lunch के लिए क्या?
लंच के लिए गया मुझे पता.
Straight
इधर
segue.
इधर उधर निकल
Segue,
गया.
yeah.
So I think that's how it is. Society in any case works a lot on what it should look like.
No, I think people they're not bad people or being mean.
Of course
they just
not.
can't relax and be in the moment of what that moment is. Because so then they're faking it, right? I don't know. I think we should get more professionals.
Cyrus, एक बात बताओ. Unless you are personally related.
Correct.
किसी को दर्द वर्द होता नहीं है यार,
Even personally related, sometimes
है
you
ना,
don't care.
है ना, होता है. बट यहाँ पर तो आप प्रोफेशनली आप पहुँचते हो,
हाँ.
एंड प्रोफेशनली आपको ग्रीफ करना पड़ता है. और सब लोग
Performance.
जो भी देख रहे हैं, सब लोग ऐसे कर रहे होते हैं.
Everything is slow.
Everything
is
is
slow.
slows down.
Exactly.
It's whispering. Everything is whispering.
Whispering. And even the hello is measured. Na?
It's a
Ashish
hello.
sees a fellow actor goes,
It's a bit like when
Why do we do
when
this?
you are in hospital, I
Yeah.
call you up
Yeah.
and you say, "I'm in hospital." I
Yeah.
say, "Everything okay?" I start whispering. You know, well, just to respect that moment. Yeah.
Really. It's hilarious, man. So this is a show. There's the food vlogging, but there's also movies. You're still doing movies.
Yes,
lots of
I-
movies.
I do films,
It's not
yes.
like you stop. So what's on? What can we look forward to? What's on the OTT? What's on the features?
OTT, we've last 1.5 years, we have had 6 releases, different kinds of releases
God.
on this
You're,
thing.
you're too prolific, Baba.
I really enjoy it. And what's interesting, I work across languages.
Yeah.
So it gives me a lot of things. But lately, I've been very lucky. I've been getting some interesting roles in Hindi. And I'm very happy for that. And
Do you have a preference? of
yes,
where you
I
wanna
want
work?
I want to do some amazing central roles in whichever language. And nowadays, I say no to films which they say are, sir, ये बहुत amazing role है, because the entire film pivots on this. It's a 3-day character. But the film pivots on this. I say, listen, I
3-day
don't want that 3-day character on which the film pivots. Get me a 25-day one.
Yeah.
So nowadays, I'm very clear. I want to do the films that I wish to do. I have a few amazing roles left in me, Cyrus. But vulture is a patient word. You kind of just hang on. And that's why I do many things. So people say, why do you do so many things? I said, I do so many things because I want to be alert. I want to be alive. I don't want to be bitter. And yet, when those roles come, I want to be there ready for that.
But the good thing is you're not getting tired of one medium or something. You're still doing everything. You're just opening up new windows and looking out to...
And life is so exciting, and especially with so I'm the vintage of 65 at the vantage of 2025. And why I am saying that is that, we outdate ourselves in our head. We say, अपन का time चला गया. अपन अगर अभी सांस ले रहे हैं, तो अपन अभी के हैं. And personally, human beings, each one of us, Cyrus, we have many facets. और हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि जैसे मैं इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ बताता हूँ. When I became an actor, being an actor was a complete outsider thing. You don't say that I want to be an actor.
80s,
80s, 90s. That's when I grew up.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was not. But then once I became an actor, then you say you're an actor now. Don't do all these other things.
Yeah.
So
No,
every
because you're also a famous actor. If you
Yeah.
weren't, it would be a different thing. Because they'd be like, you've got more to lose. Why are you trying something different? You're an actor.
yeah, but the point is that
I'm speaking as your manager.
and I've heard those things.
Yeah.
But the point is that I want to do more, and each one of us wants to do many things. And social media, I think, has been a great enabler for someone like me. Yes, social media. Because social media, earlier people used to think that Instagram or something is just for filters to show what you're not. Social media for me is my breath of life. So I have one YouTube channel which is called Ashish Vidyarthi Podcast, where I talk about life. There's a channel that my wife and I run. It's called 50 Plus Zindagi.
50 as in Umar.
Umar Plus Zindagi.
But it's 65 was the 50 plus. So I feel there's a bit of a leap of faith here. तू 60 plus कर ले.
तो मैं 65 में बॉन्ड हुआ ना, अब भी 60 का हुआ मैं.
Damn you, यार.
पर मैं
This is not fair.
5. And then there is my other channel. It's called Ashish Vidyarthi Active Vlogs, where I travel and I talk about people
You
that I
travel
meet.
a lot. Just the way your life is.
Yes. So what I've understood is that social media allows so many of us to explore different facets of us. So there's a LinkedIn part of me where the material is around leadership.
But you're also a
and-
performer by nature.
Yes.
So, I mean, it's great. Everything you do is interesting. You're larger than life sort of guy.
Yeah, I don't know larger than life, but at least I'm doing things that I'm interested in, Cyrus, and that's what I find.
But you must be
very
the most
freeing.
versatile guy we have at the moment. I'm just thinking because you're doing stand-up, proper stand-up. You're doing this sort of storytelling thing, which is actually an old-fashioned
Yeah.
style you're bringing back
Yeah.
because you love.
Dastan Goi.
Exactly.
Dastan Goi was the
Yeah,
absolute
Dastan
traditional
Goi.
form of
All
story.
Parsis know this term growing up. Are you going to watch Dastan Goi? I'm going also.
Yeah, अरे वाह.
That's my stand-up. And hence, couldn't sell any tickets. And you're still doing films, you're doing OTT, and you've got this social network thingy going on
Yeah.
across the board as well. You're active on Twitter, I suppose.
Twitter is not something
Oh,
which
X,
I'm active.
X, it's not
no,
Twitter,
no,
right?
no,
X,
yeah.
X.
I'm thinking since I didn't get numbers on Twitter, earlier known as X, or X earlier known as Twitter,
Yeah.
I might go to Truth Social.
Oh,
Donald.
Doland.
Donald.
Doland. I have it on YouTube. Should I play it for you? He was called this.
Ah.
I won't say by whom and where, but when he was in Ahmedabad, he was called Doland. It's there. We all know it's there. It's fine. They're friends. Anyway, we have a producer, and she's woken up in the morning and printed things. I don't know why she's giving me this. This is Ashish also did a podcast with IBM. Begin the Journey.
Yes.
What the hell was that? Did they pay you?
Of course not.
Then it's IBM. Then it's 100% IBM.
The 100%.
for sure. Yeah.
Bona fide
Uh,
IBM. But it was again Amit when he started off on this
Picture of
journey.
Amit, please.
Yes,
I was
which
thinking
kind of
Amitabh Bachchan or
yeah.
something. You know, I'll be like,
Doshi, Amit Doshi. When he started off on this journey of podcasts, we kind of met up by chance. And I started sharing some things about life, and we started putting up that on IVM. And I think we did for about 2 years. And that's the time that you also, started.
This was a precursor to what you're doing actually now.
Yes.
in a sense.
Except
Except that now it's even more personal and even more
more personal. This was purely audio.
Yeah.
That time it was audio, and I used to travel and I used to send notes, and that used to be put out. So I really think that if you want to do something, you will find, initially you will not find the right thing, but each of those things that you have done have added. So for me, my experience at IVM allowed me to explore this
By
thing.
experience, you mean the fact that there's no parking and things like that. I'm
But
presuming.
do you know, I never had to come here. I would
you
send
just
them.
send the-
I would send them because I used to be traveling all the time.
Wow.
And they made it so comfortable for me to send the material.
So you were doing outsourcing.
I
While
I
we
was
were
the
working.
outsource.
Yeah.
I was the outsource.
Unbelievable.
Yeah.
So in a way, IBM has played a hand.
It's got a very major
pushing
role.
you in that direction.
No,
slightly.
absolutely, very
Let's just
major
quickly,
role.
before I ask him these formal questions that I've been forced to ask, stand-up comedy, which is there, and you're participating actively. There are shows all over all the time. Storytelling, Dastan Goi, as you say.
Like Dastan Goi, very different
Well,
from
it
Dastan
is.
Goi.
It
Yes,
is that, no?
yes.
Because and you're creating
Following in
music
that
and-
tradition. Following in that
I would
tradition.
think the audience will be a little more sophisticated. It's almost like the markets are slightly different. You got the stand-up, which could be
Yeah,
a different
very
type.
different market,
You got
yes,
your,
yes.
Dastan types, which is slightly more erudite people coming, etc. You've got all kinds of shows going on. You played all kinds of characters.
There's another interesting thing that I'm doing. If
Is
I
it
may
porn?
share that.
Breaking news: Ashish Vidyarthi in Girls Gone.
Actually, what you can say, it can be used for that also, because I'm teaching people acting online.
Okay.
So some people can use it for that.
Okay, fair,
that's an
fair.
option.
No
we can
judgment
give.
as an artist.
No, not at all.
role
You have to
is
just
a
be a
role.
performer.
Yeah, a role is a role.
Yep, a
It's
role
some
is
of
a
the best
role.
lines are in porn.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
And we know of role play, right?
Of course. What is that? You're
So
right.
that's exactly.
Spot
So
on. No,
you
we
just
should be
give me an
lawyers.
idea. We just add that.
Add that.
What possible thing? So so this is an acting program that I have designed and shot, and it's going to be ready in the next.
So it's like a batch thingy?
This is going to be online.
See,
See,
how many, after like 12 classes to get like a diploma through you?
about
or what?
16 hours where anyone anywhere in the world
Wow.
can be watching it and get that they can act. Because I really believe that if people can, see, we can either make things difficult for people.
Right.
Very difficult. सालों का आस्था लगा है.
Yeah.
ऐसा मत सोचना. It's so
Ashish,
simple.
I hate it when we come to shows and the producers saying like, you got lots to do. It's just a negativity in their thinking, but they never say, hey man, come on, let's rock.
कुछ किया नहीं अभी
Yeah.
तक. बहुत कुछ करना है.
Lots to do, yeah. Long day.
It's been ये जो ज्ञान ऐसे करके पूरा थका देते हैं.
Yeah.
So मेरा पूरा चक्कर है कि create some. So even when I give my talks, I have people walking up to me and saying, पता है, I do that, Ashish. I said, yay. So
These are the
think
motivational
access,
talks.
Yes,
Yeah.
they have access to it.
Yeah.
And this acting course is possibly going to be called Anyone Can Act.
Yeah.
Because I really want people to get that there are very
You think
simple
Bollywood
things.
will benefit from it?
No, I'm talking about acting.
He couldn't resist.
So the point is that acting is such a thing that which we are learning every day from life. We are observing things, how people are putting their hand, how they are talking, how they are breathing, how they are coughing.
How he fell asleep.
Yes, how
His eyes were
just
shut
wake
for
up,
2
yeah.
minutes.
Odia, please, thanks. So मैंने उसको enable किया है we did a workshop, a live workshop with people, and we have intermingled it with that. So very excited about
You
that.
shot the
program.
workshop as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes.
so you
And
got
we-
those whatever you
yes,
cut to that and come back to you.
exercises, and explaining that made it simple. So this online space of sharing with people what can be taught is something which is
I
exciting.
think some of the best actors, and not just Indian, are politicians. All said and done, of the world. If you're a truly gifted politician, is a great actor.
Yeah, but-
and they're playing a fantastic role for a time.
But you know, the thing is that why do you only want to identify politicians?
Yeah.
Anyone
True.
in a social milieu
Yeah.
is trying to put out something which is not exactly
I'm a
there.
little scarred because in my side of town there are a lot of posters of the politicians. So in the old days growing up, you'd have Amitabh Bachchan, Dharmender, whatever. It's replaced now. I have ex-minister, that MLA, that MLA's son, the papad stall owner who's a friend of the, the whole. Have you ever seen those posters with 40 of
Everybody
them?
wants to be something. Yeah, those hardworking faces.
Yeah.
They look like really hardworking
Yeah.
faces. People have worked very hard
Very
to
hard
reach
and
there. Yeah.
given so much.
Yeah,
Given
yeah.
it's like a Miss
That's
India
it.
male version.
The world wants to be famous.
Why?
That's the thing.
Then let's
that
go the other way.
Everybody,
Let's
everybody
become
wants
anonymous.
to be.
Hence we're doing the show which nobody watches. But can't go wrong.
Cyrus whispers.
Yeah. Somebody died.
Om Shanti.
Yeah, but even when you convey the news, we get into that
Yeah,
avatar, right? It's like you heard about Rinku's
Heard
dad.
about that? What happened? What happened?
But before that, we were like, what man? What are you doing tomorrow?
Let's do
Let's-
that. Let's do that. Have you
let's
heard
do it.
Rinku's dad? Yeah.
Okay, who's playing who?
Have you heard about Rinku's
Okay.
dad?
Hey man, what's happening?
Hey.
Have you heard about Rinku's dad?
What?
He's he passed away. Passed away.
I've said no way before he said okay,
And you said it like
yeah,
it's-
yeah. No way. Huh? Oh gosh.
Yeah.
So this is a real one, okay?
Yeah.
So a friend's
It's like premature
mother,
ejaculation.
a friend's mother is in hospital.
Yeah.
There's been a blood something happening, and they're doing a brain something to her.
Right.
I call up a friend of mine. I said, "You heard? His mother is in hospital." She said, "Okay. I think she got a brain surgery. I hope nothing serious." I said, "तूने सुना?"
This is in your show?
नहीं अब मैं डाल सकता हूँ उसको
Please डालो.
I mean, like, people are there. I said, like, did you hear yourself saying what you said?
Yeah.
I hope nothing serious. I hope हाँ मैंने कहा she's got brain surgery happening.
Sorry. You shouldn't be laughing.
हाँ मतलब the people are actually not like, oh gosh, when did this happen? You have some coffee then? कब हुआ यार बता? Oh gosh, and they were so close. अच्छा, then they also tell about how is his mother?
Yeah.
Mother's left long time back.
Yeah.
The father was living alone.
Yeah.
Oh God, I feel so bad for him. So like he was so. He's never met him.
Yeah.
But he was so
It's
like.
almost like happiness, no?
Yeah.
In the body goes into
Yeah.
almost like enthusiastic sort
मैं
of
ठीक
being.
हूँ
Yeah.
उसको वो बर्बाद हो गया, वो बर्बाद हो गया।
मैं बच गया.
हाँ मैं बढ़िया यार
Okay, Ashish, before they make us cut, I have to ask a couple of questions on your current upcoming movies, and we have the list here, ladies and gentlemen. The Confession.
Yeah.
Mostly our research is wrong, so please correct me. Huh? The Confession is what?
It's a film Anand Mahadevan has directed.
nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nana Patekar is there. We made a good film.
A thriller kind of thing?
It is.
I
It
got
is.
that feeling.
And, yeah.
And please
Anand
tell-
makes some very interesting films.
Yeah. And he's continued to do,
Yeah.
he's not bothered about
And if you ever get to talk to Anand, I would love you to.
We want to
because-
get him on the show. He's also a
yes,
dog lover.
Please.
Anand,
please
can you come on the show?
Yeah.
Huh? What is it?
Yeah. No, Anand is
Did
very
you hear
interesting.
about Anand? Sorry.
So Anand is very, very interesting. Again, he's a person who began as a writer, then started making films and his kind of films. And he's making his films against all odds.
Yeah.
So he's somebody I really appreciate and admire.
Which is rare, actually.
Yes, very,
Not bothered about what people say. Just do your own thing. The Secrets of the Shiledars.
Yeah, that got released a couple of months back. It's doing very well. What is released last week is something called Traitors. It's a,
One
it's a
second,
reality
Traitors nahi hai
series.
isme. Where's
Arey,
Traitors?
they see.
You rascals! There's no traitors here. Tell us about traitors.
So Traitors is a reality show which is coming on Amazon Prime.
Oh, nice.
Yes, that's my first reality
What
show.
are you doing?
I'm not supposed to talk about it.
Oh, you can't. But can I ask?
Or what I went to.
No, can I ask you one question? Is it a contest?
It is a reality show where we are looking for a set of traitors, and who they are.
Oh, I saw the hoardings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one on the
Yeah,
fifth
yeah.
on the top.
No, it was
left,
there.
that's
It was
me.
pretty
That's me.
prominent. Yeah. I'll go and
That
see
was
it
me.
again.
That was
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
Chashma on.
Wow.
So yeah, that was a
Karan Johar presents
yes,
something.
very enjoyable.
Tell
experience
Karan
for
next
me.
time to put your name above his. This is nonsense. You're senior in the industry.
No, my face is above it.
Face is above
My
it,
face is above it.
So Karan Johar presents Ashish Vidyarthi in Traitors. If you ever do a show called Funerals, I'm in, huh?
When?
I don't know. I heard it just now, yaar.
Can we have some coffee? यार, बता.
I felt so bad for them. They're alone now, no?
He's so full of energy. Like यार.
His son is only.
Without sugar बोला ना यार तुमको. I'm so
And their
mad,
funny
यार,
lines are
तुम-
things like, his son is only 59.
How is this? And then the face distorts. How is his family? The face kind of breaks down. जैसे मैं पैसे दूंगा कुछ नहीं देने वाला. Oh, so sad. Oh, so sad.
Bro, do this, yeah. Are you doing this in your stand-up? I want to see this.
All that, yeah.
This is
yeah,
fantastic, yeah.
You should drink a lot, no? Drink a lot. Yeah. He left it. हाँ बताया मेरे को शो में आया था वो. कहता he left it, but you know damage done is damage done. But चलो यार, I only wish him the best.
And we have to end with
हाँ.
Om Shanti.
Shanti.
Wow, this is too good, man. What has the world come to? Malayalam action comedy, Avesham.
Yeah. Avisham was a sleeper hit from Kerala.
Yeah.
And I played a very small role in that, but I'm so happy that I was part of it.
Does Gauri Shankar get revived in any movie in Malayalam later?
There are many options coming up, but as they say that as you travel in life, your choices change. So for me,
You don't like going back.
No, Cyrus. Anyway, none of us can go back.
Yeah.
But the point is, for me, the next is the amazing roles. So as I always reach out to my casting directors and directors, I say, hey, listen, yaar, वो किया मैंने. अभी मुझे कुछ exciting. So at
Actually,
this
that's a big
stage,
challenge for you now because you've done so many things also.
Yeah.
And you don't want to be repetitive. But you're
no,
like.
it's not a question of being repetitive. It's a question of so over a period of time, people have seen me. So one of the reasons that I did stand-up comedy is that people had possibly only thought of me as the mean guy.
No, I think Gopalan used to tell me these things about you. You're quite the legend about playing pranks, about being naughty, about being funny, about being the loudest guy in the room at times, all that.
Even
So
this
I-
room?
Well, I think it's been proven. We have 1 hour, 6 minutes of material to prove it.
Oh,
yeah.
God, oh, God,
We
oh,
went
that
to a
I was
funeral
there.
and we were the loudest whisperers at the funeral, you and me. Yeah.
So sad. What
So
is
sad.
So sad.
His dying wish was to see her married. But she's 57, so it was going to be a
Yeah,
challenge.
possibly a spinster. Yeah, but things are sad for her.
Let's be honest, he's quite unattractive.
Yeah, but property.
Yeah.
Property है ना.
Property hai.
चल
Property.
बात
It should
करते हैं
count.
फिर.
Yes.
नंबर दे उसका.
कोई बकरा तो मिलेगा. Okay, we've been told to wrap it up.
Yep.
I don't know why. Oh, okay. All
कहते
right.
हैं बंद क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक?
Who are these two old men?
This is one person who's not going to say gone too soon. Overstayed.
Why not gone too soon?
Yeah.
All right, Ashish, thank you so much for coming here. I know you're very busy. Came off a flight, came right here. It's going somewhere else now because he's got all these things to do. And we forgot about the motivational speaking, which you've been doing for years, which is still there.
Yep.
And so there's 3 different avatars on stage. Firstly, there's comedy, which is all kinds of comedy. There's the Dastan,
There's it's called storytelling Zindagania.
storytelling Zindagania,
Sukun ki kahani.
Suku ki kahani.
In-laws home.
Ah.
Sukun.
Suku.
Yeah.
Suku. If you change the S to F, what is it? Like Fuku?
I thought you were mentioning Sukuf.
You're going to highbrow for me. Always go lowbrow. Think of the lowest common denominator. Where will the bad comedy go? Straight away from Suku to Fuku. I mean, really? I mean, how bad can we be? Yeah. Oh, and there's films and there's OTT. What else can you do? I can't think of anything else. What else can you do? Puppetry. I mean,
Possibly, but
Is there
that
something you
online
haven't
that online stuff is very exciting because I've discovered that if we can create stuff which people can learn something, it allows them to.
This is the acting workshop-y
the
thing.
acting workshop, and there's another very interesting workshop which I have to just shoot it. The material is ready.
Yeah.
It's called "Staying Relevant and Valuable for Life."
right.
Because a whole lot of us, Cyrus, our life is much longer than the one profession that we may have specialized in.
Yeah.
And I think that the time right now is not to have one skill set.
Pressure.
You know, and you are a prime example of that. You are somebody.
don't
who
even
has
have
been-
one.
Yeah, but
So
you
I'm on
have
another world.
you have the mindset of doing various things,
Yeah.
and that's what I kind of am sharing
It's
in
called
that program.
infidelity, yeah.
But of course, that's what's needed nowadays.
Variety is the spice of life.
Yeah, don't have high fidelity only for one profession.
But what you're saying is ridiculous because my dad's generation, they stayed in one job till 59.
Yeah.
Right?
And
in
they
the
were
same
needed,
office sometimes.
and they were needed, right?
needed, yeah,
but,
in a
in,
different world.
but in our world, that one profession is no longer needed.
No.
So therefore, if you want to pay bills and have a great time over a period of time, it's very important for you to reinvent yourself.
Yes.
And that's what this program
And
is
take
about.
the adequate medication.
Yeah.
Don't take your medication, then we'll be at your funeral and we'll be like, what?
Oh,
Gone too
gosh,
soon.
gone too soon. Yeah. Gone
Such
too
a
soon.
lovely guy.
I know, that's such a lovely guy. Very
Everybody
talented.
loved him.
करता क्या था वो?
पता नहीं.
Cyrus,
That's it, Ashish. We're done. Don't worry. I know it's lunchtime.
Joy.
Ashish Vidyarthi, gone too soon.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो.
Please. तमीज से बात करना है ना. Important people यार.